Stony Brook users is the AI Companion feature in Zoom. With this feature, you have access to multiple settings that utilize artificial intelligence, including the ability to ask questions to the AI Companion tool during a meeting. This allows meeting participants to quickly catch up and get clarity during a meeting without interrupting it. Examples of questions that can be asked are, "Can you catch me up?" "Was my name mentioned?" or "What are the action items of this meeting?" Answers provided by AI Companion are based on the meeting's transcript, so questions for things that do not relate to the meeting are not able to be answered. For Stony Brook users, to enable the use of asking AI Companion questions, follow these steps. Open a web browser and go to stonybrook.zoom.us. Then sign in using your NetID and password. Once logged in, select Settings on the left side of the screen. At the top of each section of settings, choose AI Companion. Under Meeting, find the setting to allow users to ask AI Companion questions about the meeting and make sure it is enabled. Due to administrator settings, Stony Brook users must manually turn on AI Companion while in a meeting in order to ask questions. To do this, select the AI Companion button on the Zoom toolbar. This will open a side panel where you can type in your questions to ask AI Companion. Meeting participants will also be able to ask questions by selecting the AI Companion themselves. However, they can only do this after the host has turned this feature on. When this side panel is open, you have the ability to ask suggested questions to AI Companion. Examples include, "Catch me up," "Was my name mentioned?" or "What are the action items?" I'll select "What are the action items" to see what we are discussing today. If you have a more specific question, you can type it and send it to the AI Companion chatbot to answer. For example, in this meeting, I'm speaking with Keith Jones about our favorite places to travel. Keith mentioned that he loves going to Croatia, but I can't remember specifically where he has been there. So I'll ask AI Companion what city in Croatia Keith has been to. And thanks to AI Companion, I can recall that Keith said he has traveled to Dubrovnik. Please keep in mind that due to administrator settings, you can only ask questions about the meeting from when AI Companion was turned on. In addition, if you join the meeting late, you can only ask questions about things that were discussed since you joined the meeting. Meaning, you wouldn't be able to ask what was discussed prior to when you joined. If you would like to turn off the feature to ask AI Companion questions, you can select the Stop AI Companion button on the side panel. Please note, however, that doing so will also turn off the meeting summary if that setting has also been enabled. So, to turn off the ability to ask AI Companion questions specifically, select the gear icon on the side panel. And then, you can turn off the feature to ask questions. Thank you for watching. For more Zoom-related content, please subscribe to our channel.